G here from OG Creations. Most of you have already been enjoying the summer sun for the last 6 to 8 weeks.
Oh, I'm brushing my teeth on top. It's so much fun, I hate to stop.
However, where I live, full summer doesn't normally start until the week of July 4th.
For example,
While I was watching the live stream of the summer solstice from Stonehenge a couple of weeks ago, my heat came on, and it was set at 62 degrees. But now that it is summer for everyone, it's time to find the best ways to cool off. Are you someone who spends all day at the beach, pool, or a water park enjoying the cool water while in the sun? Or are you someone who stays out of the sun, in the air conditioning, and enjoying a nice icy summer cocktail? Either way, this week's video is for you. I found an awesome beach cover-up kimono that was screaming for some color. And an ice dye using some fun, beachy, watery shades is exactly what it needs. Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and subscribe to my channel. Your help will be greatly appreciated. I purchased a white 100% viscose kimono from Amazon and soaked it in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. Using a spin-only cycle, it was spun until lightly damp. On my work surface, I lay it flat and smooth out the wrinkles, which seemed to be a little difficult. Viscose is a semi-synthetic that's made from wood pulp and often referred to as rayon when it's made into fabric. When it's wet, it's like a wet tissue, delicate and very clingy. I pinched the center of the neckline and began to twist my fabric. Initially, I was going to stop there. It was way too long for my ice dye trough. After a second or two of, I said, tie-dye is all an experiment anyway. I decided to snake it or zigzag my twisted fabric into this perfect little square. I secured it with some rubber bands. On my dye rack that I lined with foil to have a smoother surface for runoff, I place my new little experimental piece in the center and then create some side barriers using additional foil. Ice is added on top. I then apply my dry powders. I'm using Parakeet, Celadon, Moss green. A thick layer of soda ash is added on top. Once the ice was melted, it was set aside for 48 hours to cure in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increased the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash had been removed. I ran it through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. I lightly ironed it and added it to my inventory and then uploaded it to my Etsy store. You can purchase this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. I am really happy with this one. That light flowy fabric looks great in these peachy shades. It's a perfect addition for any wardrobe. Whether you're walking the beach showing off your beach bod, or you're locked indoors completely naked and need something to throw on quick when Uber Eats rings the doorbell. I'll see you next time.